Hi guys! Welcome back to my TikTok. So ayan no, papakita ko lang tong aking very hard case from Metro Sunnies. So sobrang hard to mga mi, talagang super safe yung iyong sunglasses here. So kasi na if you buy a Metro Sunnies na sunglasses, wala silang hard case like this. So, yun lang yung brown leather na para naka-flat, which is medyo hindi siya safe talaga sa glasses, lalo na pag magulo ang mga bag mo, ganon. So, this is very useful. This is very sturdy. It's thick. Sobrang tibay po. Super hard talaga siya mga mi. So, ano, ilagay ko to sa aking yellow basket. This is very affordable. And yeah, I got the Metro Sunnies glasses as well. Ayan siya mga mi. Sobrang ganda. So it's a polarized UV 400. And of course, this is from Metro Sunnies. So ayan, naka-pair na siya para sure na. And then this comes with the sunglasses as well. So yung Metro Sunnies na dust wiper, ganun. Ayan. So, ayan lamang no, isang set. This is very good for your summer, beaching, basta anywhere. Nindot siya guys. So, uto na ko ha ang glasses and tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-fit. So, ayan siya mga mima. Ang ganda na ito. And, bagay na bagay siya sa aking face. Ayan. Ang ganda ng shape niya. Ayan. And this is very kanang, ang color garin niya guys no, is really dark. And it's UV 400, ultraviolet. So, taas ang kanyang ultraviolet, no? So, protected talaga yung ating mga eyes. So, ipakita ko yung labas. I'll see. So, kita nyo yung guys, yung sunshine. Super. And then, kapag ginamitan nyo yan ng glasses, ayan, kita nyo yung difference. Diba? So, super talaga to. Very protected yung inyong eyes. So, ayan diba? And then, ayan. So, ilagay ko to sa aking yellow basket, no? Metro Sunnies na glasses. Yan lamang. Bye now. Disclaimer mga mi, ito yung sinasabi kong brown leather na pouch for your glasses. So, this comes with the glass. So, yung hard case po is separately siya na ibabay. So, ayan lamang. Mag-add to cart na kayo. Bye now!